Just wanted to check in really quick because literally in a week, in one day, I'm going to be moving to Los Angeles, California, all on my own. I got a 6 month lease. I should be good at least for 6 months. And I'm just gonna try to make the dream happen, man. I'm gonna be shooting music videos, doing any sort of film work that I can get my hands on, and just really, really pushing and trying to make this whole dream a reality. And I don't know, man. There's really no other time that I think it could happen. Like I've played it over 1,000 times in my head. Like, oh, if I just save for another like year or whatever, I'd be so much more comfortable out there. Blah 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 blah. And like, I kind of just hit a point where it's like, if I wait any longer, then it's like, fuck, might as well just go back to school. And if I, like, I just kind of have to send it. Like, there's nothing else I can do. So I'm hoping for the best. Literally, it's gonna be a great adventure. This might be the start of that vlog. Honestly, I don't know. I do want to try to film as much as I can, especially on the trip out there, and then just like in general, on my time out there. Whether it's 6 months, whether it's 6 years, who knows? Only the future will tell, you know. But I feel good about it. There's been enough things in life that's kind of pointed in this direction, and I think it's really the right move for me. And yeah, no, I just wanted to hop on here. I'm excited. Got approved for my apartment last Wednesday. It's Saturday right now. Man, it's coming up. It's coming up really soon. Literally in a week, I'll be packing up my car and just like driving out with my mom, and getting my apartment set up and everything. So, man, it's coming up quick. I have a lot to do this week, honestly. Lots of goodbyes, lots of little extra finishing up work and stuff like that. Few videos to shoot, that sort of thing. But other than that, I'm just going to try to enjoy my time. I'm going to try to get some more skating in, see all my friends a couple more times and all that, and just hope for the best, man. We'll see where life takes me, honestly. Okay, so quick little update, okay? We have a problem. So, I don't have a lease yet. Let me get in frame. Okay, I don't have a lease yet. I've paid the security deposit. I've done everything I need to do. Filled out everything I need to do up to this point. And then I've emailed my leasing office, whatever, and they said, like, oh yeah, it should be here within a day or two. And that was Tuesday or Wednesday. Didn't come Thursday, didn't come today, Friday. Emailed them again today, and then they said it should either be by the end of the day or Monday. And that's a problem because I'm supposed to get to town on Tuesday. So like, yes, it's fine. I can sign it and we can make sure that I have it before we actually get to town specifically. But the only issue is now I have to sign the lease on the road on Monday. And I think I'll be in like Arizona somewhere probably when I get it. I don't know, man. I'm really hoping for the best. Cause like now it's like they could technically send me anything, and I kind of have to take it. They could be like, "Oh yeah, sorry, rent's up another 500 or whatever the fuck," and it'd be like, "All right, well I either take it or I'm stuck in LA with no place to stay and no other apartment options in the current horizon," you know? So, I don't know. Things are really up in the air. Pretty sure we're just gonna say screw it and go out there anyway. But you guys are along for the ride. We'll see. Literally today was like my last day at work. Tomorrow's my last day, like full day in town in general. I'm just gonna be packing up the car, seeing family and any friends I can see and stuff like that. And early Sunday morning, we're getting in the car and going. But yeah, well, we're gonna make it happen no matter what. Like, I still very excited. Still feel like everything's going all right. And yeah, we're figuring out one step at a time. Gonna get there. Hi again.
Hello.
Not film as much of the journey as I wanted to. Like I wanted to kind of film packing up my room and showing the car packed up and all of that fun stuff, but I got so caught up packing and then driving across the country that I didn't really film too much along the way, you know? Like I filmed like the nice scenery and stuff, but like I didn't talk or like give my thoughts on anything just because I had too much going on. We're in my new place in LA, pretty much all set up. Like I have a full desk setup, whatever. That's not this video, that'll be next video. I'll be putting out like a little room tour. I guess it's a full apartment, it's not just a room. I have like an actual bedroom, which is nice. But I'll give a full tour here soon. I've just been a little busy getting settled in and everything. Last little kind of closing things on this video. I did get pulled over for the first time in my life and got a speeding ticket. I was going like 10 over in a construction zone and there was definitely workers out on the road. Completely my fault. The cop was cool about it. He was like, since you've been cool about it this whole time, I'll knock like the construction zone thing off. So like saved like $150 or something like that, which helped. It still sucks either way. I mean like, man, I've been driving a while and not have to deal with any of that. But other than that, the whole drive was smooth. I drove out here with my mom and she helped me get everything set up and get in a good spot out here. And now it's just time to like really lock in, try to get some things moving on the music video side of things, and then also just like extra film whatever I can get into, you know? Like I'm kind of open-minded. Like I'm not just out here being like I'm gonna only work on my own music videos and that's the end of it. I'm kind of open to maybe helping out on film sets or like bigger commercial sets, whatever they end up being, you know, just like legitimate bigger productions. Because like if anything, and where I feel like I need to kind of like shadow and see work in person with my own eyes is like the actual bigger sets and bigger budget projects. Because like I've been working as a like one-man band for so long that like I'm just not used to that side of things. And being able to see that in person, I think would help a lot. But I won't stay on here too long. I don't even know how many videos I have. I've just been like recording little random stuff and over the past couple months, and like I'll probably like condense it. It's probably video 3 or something. But yeah, we'll be back semi soon with a full apartment tour once I'm a little bit more settled in and kind of have some time set aside to be able to film that. But thank you guys for following along the journey, and I really do appreciate any support on like the main channel, Twisted Culture. Whatever this channel ends up being, it's probably gonna be West Dicken, but I'm kind of playing with the idea of like Twisted Culture Collective. I don't know yet, and we'll kind of play it by ear and see down in the future. But hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll catch you then. That was a terrible. I'm gonna leave that in too. That was bad. But hope you have a good rest of your day. And I was gonna say something else, and I completely forgot. I might just have to cut it all. I don't know. I'm gonna end this now. Oh, couldn't find the off button either. I had you there. All right, now it's gone. See ya.